So what exactly is it? Well, Inherit Wallet is a smart wallet. It uses this amazing new tech called account abstraction. The easiest way to think about it is this. Instead of your wallet being just a dumb box that holds coins, it becomes a programmable account. This lets you create a real on-chain will. Your wishes are written into a smart contract, which is basically unstoppable code on the blockchain. And the most important part? It's non-custodial. That means you, and only you, have full control of your funds, always. And the benefits are all designed to solve that paradox we talked about. It's got a super simple interface for a really complex problem. You keep total control of your money while setting up a completely trustless and automatic system for the future. And it's not some separate clunky tool. It's a full-blown wallet you can use every day for DeFi, for dApps, for whatever you want. It just has this incredibly important inheritance feature built right in. And you're probably thinking, this has got to be complicated to set up. Nope, it is ridiculously simple. It is literally 2 steps. First, you add your heirs. You can use their wallet address or even just an email, and you decide what percentage each person gets. Second, you set the condition. You just choose a period of on-chain inactivity that will act as the trigger. That's it. Your crypto will is done. Okay, let's get into the good stuff, because this is the technical magic that actually solves the paradox. How can a system possibly know you're gone without you ever giving up your keys? It's all about this really clever thing they call the heartbeat system. Think of it like a digital pulse. The system isn't watching what you're doing, it doesn't care about that. It just sees that you're doing something on chain. As long as it detects your heartbeat, your wallet is yours, and yours alone. But if that heartbeat stops for the amount of time you decided, the system knows it's time to execute your will. And they design this to be perfect for every type of crypto user. It's a simple 2-layer system. Layer 1 is for all the active users out there, and it's completely automatic. Layer 2 is for the long-term holders, the hodlers, and it just needs a single tap every once in a while. Okay, so let's look at Layer 1. If you're an active trader or you're always hopping between dApps, you literally never have to do a thing. Every single time you send, swap, or do any on-chain transaction, the system sees it, just like Etherscan would, and it automatically resets your inactivity timer. You just use your wallet, and you're protected. Simple as that. But what if you're a hodler? What if you just buy and hold? Well, that's what Layer 2 is for. You just set your inactivity period, say a year. Before that year is up, the app sends you a little reminder. You open it up, tap one button that says, I'm here, and boom, the timer resets. It's designed to be completely effortless. So that's the tech. But here's the really crucial part, how this whole system adapts to your actual life. This isn't some rigid, one-size-fits-all thing. You customize it based on your lifestyle, your situation, whatever's going on. This shows it perfectly. If you're an active trader, just set the timer for a year and forget about it. It's going to reset automatically anyway. If you're a long-term holder and you live in a pretty stable place, you might set it for 1 or 2 years. But here's where it gets really smart. Let's say you're going on a long trip, maybe to a high-risk area. You can just temporarily change your setting to 3 months for extra peace of mind. Then, when you get back home safe, you just change it back. It's flexible security that actually fits your life. Okay. This is probably the most important question of all. What about the gray areas? What if you're in an accident or a coma and you just physically can't make that check-in? Or even more importantly, what if your family needs to access those funds to take care of you? First things first, there's a safety net built right in. After your inactivity timer runs out, the funds don't just get released immediately. It enters what's called a dispute period, and you're the one who sets how long it is. This is your grace period. It's extra time for you to log in and stop the process if it was just a false alarm. And this right here is arguably the most powerful feature of the entire system, because in a real emergency where you can't check in and you can't stop the dispute period, the system does exactly what you would want it to do. It gives your family access to the funds. I want you to let that sink in. This isn't just an inheritance tool for after you're gone. It's a living insurance policy. It's a lifeline that gives your loved ones the resources to take care of you when you need it most. So when you put all of these pieces together, you start to realize this isn't just another crypto wallet. It's a whole new standard for how we should be protecting our digital wealth and, way more importantly, protecting our families. So let's just recap why this is so, well, genius. Active traders are protected without even thinking about it. Long-term holders have a dead simple check-in. You never, ever give up control of your assets while you're alive. Your family gets access automatically, but only under the exact conditions you set. and the whole thing runs on unstoppable on-chain code. Now, just zoom out for a second and imagine the perfect scenario. This isn't just about you protecting your kids. Imagine a web of security where your entire family uses a wallet like this. You're each other's beneficiaries. That's how you create real, lasting, generational wealth in this new digital age. Everyone is protected. So I'll just leave you with this one question. You've probably spent countless hours learning how to secure your crypto from all the outside threats. But have you spent even 5 minutes thinking about how to secure your family's future from the inside? Because at the end of the day, that might be the most important security there is.